guys, it's Trish. Welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video I have my room tour and I will try to link everything that I can down below, but if you guys want to see how my old room looked like, then I will also link that down below and you guys can watch it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get started. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off over here, and on top I have these little cute green vines I got from Urban Outfitters, and I only used one pack, so you don't need a lot. I use these white hooks to put them on my wall. And down below I have my bed. This is a full-size bed. This is my headboard, and I'm not sure where this is from because my mom got it for me. I think she got it from Wayfair, but if not, I will have the link down below. And it's just this really cute gray headboard with little studs on it. And most of my beddings are from IKEA. This blanket, my sheets, and my pillow sheets are from IKEA, but this pillow is from Marshall's. I have this cute little pink throw blanket that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's super soft, as you can tell, and honestly it's very affordable. I think it was only about $25. And I have this tray on my bed. It kind of acts like my nightstand since I don't have the space for it, so I thought I would use this tray from TJ Maxx. So I have my laptop, my iPad, this mouse, a portable charger, I have my TV remote, and these blue light glasses. Across my bed I have my dresser and my TV and all of these super cute decor, but we're gonna start off right here. So this is like a little window I have, and I still don't have like actual blinds for my windows yet because I still can't find something that I really like. Down here I have this poster frame, and this is like a really pretty gold frame. This poster was from my debut, or my 18th birthday. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically a Filipino tradition. When girls turn 18, they have this huge party. It's kind of like a quinceañera, but for Filipinos, and when you turn 18. But I have all like little signatures from everyone who went to my party. And then down here I have this salt lamp I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. I have this little dried pampas that I just got literally yesterday, so I was so excited. It was just on time. This vase is from Target, and this I got this from Amazon, which was kind of crazy. I didn't know they sell these on Amazon. I've been wanting them for a long time now, so I can use them for my pictures, and it just looks so nice like in my room. It's really pretty and it makes me happy just like looking at it for some reason. I also have this lotion from Bath & Body Works. It calms you down. It's perfect for just when you're about to sleep. So yeah, that's my little corner, and then right next to it I have my TV. So I'm gonna start off over here, and this is my favorite thing in my room. I actually did a little DIY, and I got the poster printed from Staples, and my frame is from Target, but this is a 24 by 36 if you guys are wondering. If you guys want me to do like a DIY video on how to make these posters, because I have like a couple in my room, let me know and I will do that for you. But down below I have my TV. You guys can kind of see me. But yeah, this TV is from Vizio. I just have this plant, and this is from Target. When I get my own place, I'm definitely gonna have real plants, but this works for now because I don't have to like take care of it, and I also use it for my pictures. And right next to it I have my Healthish Co water bottle, and then this thing is actually like a jewelry holder. I used to have it on my wall, but I took it down. I really like how it looks over here, so I just decided to put it here as a decor. And down over here I have this marble tray I got from Amazon, and then this pink book is my old planner from like 2019, and I kind of like how it looks here, so I decided to keep it instead of just throwing it away. Basically just want to put like any gold jewelry over here, but as of right now I just have these rings, and it's in this little bowl that I got from Francesca's. So that is the left side of my TV, and on the right side I also have some jewelry. But starting down here I have some of my Vogue magazine. I got this gold plate from Marshall's, and I have this little cute gold keychain from a boutique on Instagram, and it is Shop with Hazel, but she sent me this really cute keychain. I really love how it looks, so I put it in here. And then I have this bracelet, Azure Sterling Jewelry. Sorry if I'm saying it wrong. And then right here I have as well from Shop with Hazel, super cute. I will tag her stuff down below. She sells lashes, nails, and like all these like cute keychain stuff. And this was from an actual bag, so it is pretty clean still. It's not like vintage. This little wooden tray is from Urban Outfitters. I used to have it hanging up on a wall, but I just decided to put it on here as well. And I have some of my favorite necklaces and bracelets on here. And this little organizer thing is from Amazon. And down over here, I have my dresser. This is from IKEA. And over here, I have sports bras and bralettes. And I also have them like kind of color coded. And then over here, I have all of my summer tops, basically any tops that I can't hang because I wear a lot of tube tops and off the shoulder tops. Down over here, I just have like random shirts that I wear around the house. I honestly just wear this to sleep or when I'm at home lounging. All of my denim here, but these are just my denim shorts and denim skirts. So I just like to keep it. Sorry, that one's like really messy. So that's that, and it's honestly full. Down over here, I have all my other shorts and skirts that aren't denim. A lot of colors and print on here. Okay guys, so that was my dresser side, and also I have this fan. I don't know where it's from. It's really cool because my TV remote can control my fan. But basically, if I press like OK, the low high settings of it, and then if I press this down, it'll make it turn, which is so annoying when I'm watching TV. Sometimes I forget that it's on. Okay guys, so now let's do the other side of my room, and I'm gonna start off over here. But this is my biggest window that I have, and I have the same situation with like the blinds. I just have purses and more jewelry on here. So this little sign is from Target and it says Namaste on it. And then over here I just have this little wooden tray from Urban Outfitters. I have these cute little plants I got from Francesca's. I have this little acrylic tray I got from Amazon. I just put all of my little cards that I get, letters, and like anything I get from collabs and PR. So a lot of the brands, they write me personal letters, and I have a lot of stickers on here as well. And then right next to it, I just have my Amazon Alexa. Down over here, I just have this shelving from Target, and I have those little lights. I got those from IKEA. I have another plant that I got from Marshall's, and I really like this one because of the little pot, and I love like this style. I just have more magazines. I have this cute little gold mirror I got from Marshall's. I have another of the gold leaf from Marshall's, and on top I just have more jewelry on it. And then over here I have this candle from Bath & Body Works, a salted caramel. I have my other camera right here. I haven't really used this yet because I just got the G7X and I love it so much, so it's been like sitting here for a long time. And then I have this weird tray. I honestly don't know where I got it from, but I have my AirPods. I also haven't used my Apple Watch in a long time because I don't really go out right now. Just have these little trays. They're like fake AirPods, I guess, but they were sent to me. It literally works like an Apple AirPods, but they're very cute because they have colors in them. So maybe I'll give these away. Over here I just have random jewelry stuff because I like to make my own jewelry sometimes. Over here I just have a bunch of my bags, my jewelry, and all that. I have my other camera lens over here, but I wanted to show you guys the little lights that I have, and you can push it to turn it off. And bought these from IKEA, and they're very cool. I used to have them on my mirror, but I took it out. I just love how it looks. And over here I have this rug I got from Marshall's. It's just this really cute white and gray rug. It's very fluffy. I do a lot of my unboxing hauls right here. Right next to my shelves I have my vanity, and this used to be like in 3 other places in my room. This is also my favorite part of my room. But on top I have this like little plant. I got this thing from Amazon, and my 2 plants I got them from Marshall's. I also got this printed at Staples, and the poster frame is from Target, but this is a little smaller than my Prada sign. I think this one is 18 by 24 inches. And down here I just have all my makeup stuff. This vanity desk is from IKEA. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this like everywhere. It's like the basic white desk. So this marble tray, my makeup holder, and my brush holders are all from Marshall's. This side I have primers, sunscreen. I don't know why this is here, but this is like a brand new concealer. Over here I have new makeup brushes that was sent to me. And then I have a palette, my eyelash curler. And then right here I just have a bunch of my concealers and my foundations. I have this mirror right here that I use to do my makeup, and I honestly have no idea where it's from, but you can find this anywhere. I have 2 Morphe palettes just like sitting on here. This is where I keep all of my makeup, my brow stuff, primers, and eyelash glues. This is my favorite, loose powder. It's really cheap. Over here I just have like blushes and highlighters. Very back I just have a bunch of eyeshadows, my little contour palette, and then right here I just have a bunch of powders, more highlighters, and just like blushes, bronzers. My organizers are from Target. I have this like little acrylic organizer, and all of these white baskets are from Target. And then down over here I have this little stool. It's like this really cute gray fluffy stool, and this is also from Marshall's. And back there I have my school backpack, my favorite backpack ever. It's the North Face. This is my little vanity area. And then right over here I have my really cute mirror and my closet. So I like to keep my mirror like right in front of my closet for some reason. This mirror is from IKEA, and this is a really good size. Also, it's like pretty cheap. It was like $50. My recent mirror picture that I took on Instagram, I'm gonna put it right here. I basically put this mirror right on top of my bed, and I like laid it landscape. So yeah, it's like very handy, and I love it so much. But yeah, that's my mirror. So this is my closet. Do a little sneak peek, I guess. This is what it looks like. Bottoms and like denim or jeans and leggings on top. And then down here I just have my full closet. This house only came with this top rod. Basically I had to add this thing on the bottom, and I really like it because it also has this top compartment where you can just put anything on there. This basket is from Marshall's, and I put all of my swimsuits in there. And this one is from Target. I have a bunch of socks in there. But my closet is mostly color coded. I have it from whites to nudes, and then like the rainbow color all the way there to my blacks. And same thing down here. But over to the left side of my closet I just have like thicker stuff and like longer dresses. And I have my essentials hoodie over here, the Jordan got me. It's my favorite hoodie. And then I have this really thick coat, and then a bunch of my really long prom dresses or like wedding dresses that I wore. And on top of my room I have these LED lights that Jordan got me, and it is from Amazon. It's really cool because it's Bluetooth. You can also adjust it on here if you want it brighter, and you can obviously change the colors or like mess around right here. This is the last part of my room, and this is also probably my favorite part of my room, but I just have this like cute little table area. I don't know what to call it. I have this gold mirror. I got this from Target, and it's like the basic gold round mirror. And I just have this magazine like opened. This is a Vogue magazine, but I like it on this page because I use this page a lot for my skincare pictures, and it's very aesthetic looking to me. So I just love like news like looking text. And then down here I have this shelving from Urban Outfitters, and I have this candle from Bed Bath & Beyond. It's spiced vanilla. And on top I have my Nature Lab Tokyo shampoo and conditioner. I haven't tried it out yet, but I love how it looks on here, so I just kind of set it on there. This is a bunny tail from Amazon, and it's super cute. I love it so much. I just got this yesterday as well with my dried pampas. But this vase is from Target. This little speaker, I don't really use anymore. This is from Tilly's. And then down here I have this like white little, I don't know what it is. Honestly, I just throw around. I like to take pictures in here too. And this thing, Alex drawer from IKEA, and I used to use this as a makeup drawer. Like all of those were filled with my makeup before. I accidentally put something like behind it, so it's not like closing, which is kind of annoying. And I also built this by myself, so honestly I have no idea like why it doesn't come off. I have a bunch of like electronics in here, a bunch of like really important stuff like camera chargers and like all of that stuff. And then my second drawer, I just have a bunch of my PR/collab stuff that I still have to take pictures in, skincare, accessories, and all that I still have to shoot for. And I like to keep it on here because it keeps track of like what I have to do. Same deal with my two drawers right here. I just have clothes that I have to shoot for as well. These are my new clothes that I have to shoot for. And then down over here, which is my broken drawer, my travel bags, jewelry travel organizer thingy, makeup bag right here. I have these green vines that I use for collab pictures as well. Right next over here, I have this gold shelf that I got from Marshall's, and I just store a bunch of beauty products in here. I have like hair products on top, more skincare products down here, and like a lot more skincare products. So hamper right here, I have no idea where it's from. I will ask my mom because she got it for me. Portable massage chair, and it works really great, but I just like to fold it in here so that it's not cluttered in my room. Workout band that I have, it's my favorite. I got this from Amazon. Gymshark mat over here. Ring light, which is my favorite thing ever, and I also got this from Amazon. And this tripod is also from Amazon. This is my bathroom. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of it right here. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw this on my story like a couple days ago. Hair products in here, shampoo, conditioners, and like creams and all that. I also have like teeth whitening products right here, over here, and like this mouthwash, so very handy. Also, these trays are from Marshall's. Over here I just have a bunch of skincare products. I have this gold tray from Target, and I just have a bunch of hair stuff on here. This little container is from Daiso. And then on the side, I just have this like cotton pad, little acrylic organizer from Marshall's. Over here, I just have a bunch more like beauty stuff. And this tray is from Target, as well as this one. Face tools right here. Basically, it's like a pore vacuum thingy from Spa Sciences. I love them so much. You guys should check it out. And this is like a little facial massager. But that is that. Okay guys, so I think that was everything. So that was my room tour, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Check out all my social media links down below, and also let me know if you guys want to see more videos on my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!